Follow these steps to replace your Eclipse screen fabric. Remove the roller tube. To do this, open the front cover of the cassette box. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the screw holding the motor spring clip in place. Then, use needle nose pliers to remove the motor spring clip. On the opposite side of the cassette box, remove the blue or yellow locking clip with pliers. Lastly, squeeze the white retaining clip to release the pivot side and lift the roller tube out of the cassette box. On the bottom of the screen is the hem bar. Unscrew both sides of the hem bar and remove the rivet on each end to take the end pieces off. The hem bar will slide off once the ends are removed. The weighted pieces inside may be removed as well. Next, unroll the roller tube from the screen. Use a set of pliers to carefully remove the screen from the roller tube. Once removed, place the screen replacement in the same location and install the PVC insert into the roller tube. Make sure the screen end is installed all the way down the roller tube. Once attached, roll the screen around the roller tube until you reach the end. Slide the hem bar back onto the end of the screen. If the weighted pieces were removed, insert them back into the hem bar once it's in position. Lightly tap the black plastic caps back into place with a mallet. Finally, reinstall the ends of the hem bar back on by drilling the screws back in. Replace the roller tube into the cassette box and snap the cover back into place. You have now successfully replaced the screen fabric for your Eclipse unit.